Discover how I make $689 a day with ChatGPT and learn the easiest secret for beginners to earn money online. Today, I will teach you to generate real internet income using ChatGPT in the easiest side hustle method. No need to sell anything. We'll walk through the step-by-step process, and then you will be ready to start. And hey, if you stay until the end of the video, I will reveal not just one, but 2 effective ways to generate abundant web traffic at no cost and through proprietary analytics, and prove its revenue potential. First step. The first step is to approach ChatGPT and ask for a list of the 10 most popular and best-selling finance books currently on audible.com. Next, just select one to promote. Let's choose I Will Teach You to Be Rich. All you have to do is copy the name of the book. Then, check its availability on Audible by going to audible.com. Enter the name of the book. Click on Search and locate it. This and the next technique are applicable to any area or book topic you choose. So if you are interested in health, it is possible to focus on that. If you prefer to explore the topic of relationships, that is also viable. I really encourage you to develop as many projects as possible by revealing to you how to attract this traffic at no cost. If you manage to launch 20, 30, 40, or 50 of these, the process will be streamlined. Thus, you will exponentially increase your income, making it extremely easy to reach $500 a day with this method. Once you find the right book, proceed to select it and take a look at its ratings. You will see that this book is enjoying an excellent reception. Therefore, it is an excellent option to promote and earn commissions at no cost. The next action would be to write a simple review of it. This is where ChatGPT becomes an indispensable tool. Second step. With ChatGPT, you'll simply provide the following command. Write a 1,500 to 2,000 word summary of the book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, including an introduction and a summary of each chapter. And ChatGPT does so. This will provide us with key details about the book, encouraging potential readers to download the book from Audible for free, allowing you to earn $15. However, this is only one approach we will use. Remember, there are 2 methods, so I recommend you continue watching until the end of the video. Now that we have the full script or review of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, the next step before publishing it is to get some images. To do this, we'll head to canva.com. Once there, go to the top right corner and select Create, then Create a Design. When you click, choose a custom size of 1400 by 1400 and click on Create New Design. Once created, download it. Now we need to register for the Audible Creator Program. You must search for Audible Creator Program. Once there, you will find 2 options. The first is to sign up as an Amazon associate. By doing this, you'll be joining the Amazon affiliate program, allowing you to promote the book and earn commissions. This program was designed specifically for those who register as creators, and this is precisely what you will be doing. With these and the next strategy, you will have the potential to significantly skyrocket your income. Third step. If you check below, you will notice that for every free trial registration you manage to achieve, you will receive $5. Pretty good. And if that person then purchases another book, you'll receive an additional $10, which makes it a viable option for you. So your goal is to select the Creator Program. Within this program, you will notice that Audible currently offers not only 1 month, but also a 3-month free trial. This allows users to access and download the book at no cost, and you will receive $15 for each free trial sign-up. Imagine, you only need 10 daily signups to reach $150. After publishing the content, the process becomes passive, and you can reach 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 daily signups, depending on the amount of content you have. Audible facilitates this with its trial periods. So how exactly does it work? Simply go to the bottom and click the option, Promote the 30-day free trial. Listeners will visit the Audible landing page. When they sign up, you receive a $15 commission for each trial generated. Awesome, right? It's extremely simple. To register, simply click on the registration button. You will be redirected to a page that looks like this. The process is limited to registration, with no additional steps required. Once registered, it's time to show you how to generate traffic at no cost. We will start with a platform called Vocal Media. Here we will publish articles in the form of free reviews on selected books, taking advantage of Vocal Media's organic flow of visitors. You will insert a link in your article that, when clicked, will allow readers to access the audiobook at no cost. This is the first free traffic strategy we will explore. Once registered, go to the home page and select Create Story. After this, you will be prompted for the title of the story. Just type in Book Review, followed by I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Okay, we will proceed to insert that here. After that, you will be required to add a subtitle. For the subtitle, simply describe something concise, like a quick look at I Will Teach You to Be Rich, offering a preview of its contents, so readers will understand that this is a brief summary of the book. The next step is to scroll to the end to use the full review we generated with ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, copy the review, and paste it directly into the article. Currently, we have a complete article about the book. The next step involves incorporating the images we prepared with Canva. When you hover or click between the different paragraphs, you will notice a sum icon. When you select it, you will be presented with several options. We will select Select File and choose some of the previously downloaded images, like this one here. This would be the first image. Next, we want to go further down, skip a few paragraphs, select Upload, and perhaps opt for the second or third image, etc. The goal is to repeat this procedure and continue adding images. It is crucial to integrate various calls to action. It would look something like, click here to purchase I Will Teach You to Be Rich for free on Audible by signing up for the free trial. Click here to proceed. Next, you want to highlight this text and head here, where you'll find the option to add a link. When you click, it's time to insert your affiliate link. When you select this icon, you will see how the text is underlined. We are going to emphasize this link, and in doing so, you will have the ability to bold and italicize it. I will proceed to copy this link as we plan to incorporate it into several additional sections of the article. We will place it here and then also at the end. When finalizing your article, don't forget to hit enter. Next, I'll show you what to add, an affiliate disclosure note. So I'll insert it here, informing the readers about the presence of affiliate links in your review. This way, if someone signs up through these links, you could earn a commission, although there is no cost involved for them. After completing and reviewing your article, navigate to the top to select Save Changes to publish it. This strategy represents an effective method of capturing traffic at no cost. Vocal Media, with over 2 million visits, makes it easy for this content to attract readers organically and to stand out in Google searches, especially if they are looking for information about this specific book. As promised, we'll continue with the second method. It consists of generating free traffic to your links and focusing on using Pinterest to spread the word about these books, informing people that they can sign up for free to access them, which will earn you commissions. You'll notice that by searching Pinterest for best finance books and exploring the results, numerous users apply this tactic with a diversity of titles. Remember, this strategy is applicable to any subject area, so I encourage you to experiment with a wide range of books in different categories and replicate this promotion process. You will notice that there are publications promoting the 15 best books, 7 best books, among others, and some focus on a single book. It really is very simple to put this into practice. The first thing you should do is go to Pinterest and open a personal account. Quite directly, select the book of your interest at Audible. With a right click on the book image, choose to copy it. Then, go back to Canva, search for Pinterest pins, and hit enter. Choose one of the empty pin formats offered. When you do so, a template will appear ready for you to paste the copied image. It's quite simple. Next, just write a clear call to action, such as "Get your free copy now. Click the link in this pin." That's basically it. To generate this message, go to the left sidebar, select one of the available titles, place it at the top, go to Effects, and choose the desired one. Then just type the following: "Get your free copy now." Click on the link in this pin. The final step is to go to Download at the top to save the pin to your computer. The next step is to upload the pin to Pinterest. To do this, go to the top left corner and select Create Pin. Then drag the created pin to the corresponding space and fill in the title with something like Book Review, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. In the description, you could add "Get a free copy on Audible. Sign up for a free trial today." In the Add Link section is where you're going to paste your affiliate Audible link. It's a simple process. You would just have to repeat these steps to keep sharing different books. If you find this content useful and see the potential for you to start making money, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I recommend you to watch my last video called How to Earn Money Opening Emails on this secret website. One email equals $2. See you there.